Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another Henry Got Hustle video, and we're gonna be hitting up the Nike outlet today. It just opened like 10 minutes ago, but hopefully you know, there's not other people there who beat us to it, but I mean, it is 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, so I'm sure we'll still find some good stuff. Alright guys, here you can see Nike's right there, about to walk in. Surprisingly, there's no line or anything. I mean, it is a Tuesday and it is the morning, but still. But yeah, let's do it. So this is the first thing I kind of found, not to sell or anything, but they have the Superfly 8s, Elites. For those of you who are soccer fans, you know that this is just a new one that just came out. It actually came out like a month ago, maybe two. But I mean, it's pretty cool to see it in person. I mean, it's good quality and everything. But you know, it's too expensive. And they also have these ISPAs, 70 bucks, normally 200. It's pretty cool too. And then something else I had seen, just has some blazer lows, $54. That's always a good deal. Oh, the Vapor 13s, Elites, they don't have a price tag, but any type of high-end soccer cleats at Nike outlet is always expensive. So I just left from the kids section. They had an additional 20% off on the half wall, and they were already $39.97. So let me show you guys what they look like. The Air Max 90s, it's like the Fly Ease ones. They're gonna come out to like 25 bucks, so that I still have an additional 20% off account. So I'm gonna stack that up. I'm taking 4 of them. I'm taking all the ones they have. 25 bucks, normally 110. Selling for like around 80, so that's a no-brainer. In the women's section, I actually found these. Not sure if you guys have seen these before, but these are like the new Invincible runners or something like that. They have Zoom X all over it, and they're already at the outlet, so they are retail price, but since I do have the additional 20% off, it may be worth it, so I have to look these up. But on those, and then these were only $29.97, still have the additional 20, so these are probably gonna be like $27. The Joyrides, and then just another pair of those Invincible runners. So let's see, or what are they called? Something like that. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. But so far, doing some damage. So I'm going through the aisles now, and I just found these Nike React Presto Flyknits. Pretty cool. Alright, bro. $39.97. Still got the 20% off, so these are gonna be mad cheap. Got a few sizes. I'm gonna take a few for sure, but yeah, that's a steal for those for sure. What's up, guys? So we left from the Nike outlet. I actually got a lot of pretty good deals. So I'm gonna show you guys when we get home, but right now we're at Marshall's. We're gonna hit it up. Hopefully we can find some more like Nike soccer cleats, the Elites, because those are like selling really fast for me. I already sold like one of them, and I sold for 100 bucks. So hopefully we can find some more, and let's go inside. Just gonna give you guys a quick look. This Marshall's is literally humongous. It's like, that's the end of the store, and that is the entrance. It's literally so huge. It's actually the biggest Marshall's I've ever seen before. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Got a lot of selections, so hopefully we can find at least one thing. So guys, so now we're going to another Nike outlet. I actually went to 2 Marshalls that were on the way coming to this next Nike outlet. Didn't find anything, unfortunately. I was trying to find more of those, like the Nike soccer cleats, like the Elites. I'm on the lookout for those, so hopefully I can find those in the next couple of days, because I got a big haul. If you guys saw my last video, but like I said, we're here at the next Nike outlet, and I'll show you guys some footage inside. Alright guys, so we're about to walk in Nike outlet now. This is actually a clearance store, but I gotta hurry up because it's actually kind of sprinkling, so open the door real quick. Let's do it. Guys, so you guys are not gonna believe this. I found these tennis shoes. They're Fragment collab, $25. I have no idea. They're men's size 4.5, which is equivalent to women's size 6. But look, let me show you guys the Fragment logo inside. I still need to look these up, but I mean, I'm sure you guys know that for those of you who are into shoes, basically almost 100% of the time, anything Fragment collab does extremely well. And for this price, I mean, come on. This might be like a really good find, so I'm gonna look it up. I'll keep you guys posted, but for now, I found these Nike Zoom Pulse, 50 bucks. Found 2 of them. Still gotta look those up too. But just keep in mind, I still have an additional 20% off account code, so I'm still gonna get 20% off of this and of these 2. So, man, that's awesome. Hey guys, so as you can see, we're back home now, and as I always promise at the end of the video, I always show you guys like a sit down of everything I ended up getting. So I actually went to 2 Nike outlets in this video, so I'm gonna show you what I did get. So first off, I got 4 pairs of these Air Max 90s, the Flyease edition. So if you don't know what the Flyease is, like you literally just put this down and you like slide your foot in. So these are pretty dope. These ended up coming out to, let me see how much. Came out to $25.28. They're grade school sizing. I got 4 of these, so I'll show you guys a little visual again real quick. Every single time I go to Nike outlet, I always like to buy discount codes, the 20% off birthday codes from people who sell them, because it does save me a lot of money. Just from this one store alone, I saved, how much did I save? I saved $69 and I bought it for like $10. So for me, it's worth the investment, and also it just makes the shoe a lot cheaper, so you get a bigger profit as well. So I think it's definitely worth it. So try to look into that for sure if you guys haven't done it already. Next up, we got these Nike Joyrides. These are, what's the specific name? The Joyride, the Flyknit ones. These retail for $180. I got these for, let me see. These came out to $23. So these came out to $23. I got 3 pairs. The last pair that she charged me ended up being like $17. So I got a steal for that one. And I don't know if she made like some error or something, but that was pretty dope. They got it for that cheap. And then next up, we have right here the Nike Spiridons. The Nike Spiridons, I got these for, they were tagged as $59.97, but I got them cheaper because of my 20% off coupon. So let me look at the receipt real quick. They came out to $47.98 for these. They're men's size 7, but they're equivalent to 8.5 in women. So if it's a good shoe or a decent shoe, and it's like around that sizing, then I like to pick it up, because you can still sell it as a women's shoe. And then next up, I got 2 pairs of these Nike React Prestos, the Flyknit edition. These like just came out not too long ago. I think it was like mid last year, I think. So these are really clean actually. If I had these in my size, I probably would have picked one up, because these are really nice. They're pretty cool. Flyknit, like really colorful. I think they look pretty dope in my opinion. They were, let's see how much they came out to. These came out to $31.98. So really, really cheap. And yeah, honestly, I thought it was a steal. Came with the full box and everything. And I didn't really mention how much I was gonna sell them for, so I did forget about that. These, I plan on selling these anywhere from $80-$90. These anywhere from like, I don't know, maybe $70 to $80. The Spiridons, probably like maybe $80 to $100. And then these React Prestos, probably anywhere from like $90 to $75-ish. So for the prices, I got some good steals. So that was the first store, and let me show you guys what I got from the second store. So like I did say, I did end up going to 2 Nike outlets, and now I'm gonna show you guys what I did end up picking up at the second Nike outlet. So first up, we got these Vapor Max 2019. These are grade school sizing, and these ended up being, let's see how much, $64. So I'm gonna price these around $130. Probably gonna sell it around $115 to $130 range. So pretty good pickup for this one. These were 4.5 in youth. I got 3 in the same size, so it's like a women's size 6. Next up, I got these Blazers, the vintage, the 77s. So I love picking up Blazers. They always sell really, really well for me. And if you could find it less than like $50, that's a steal. I always personally like to pick them up. These ended up being $40. So they're women's size 6, really nice pair. And I like to list these for like $100. Probably sell it anywhere from $100 to $90. So that was a really good pickup in my opinion. Next up, we got these Air Max 95, the grade school pair. Let me check to see how much this one came out to. This one came out to $19.97. So big steal for and any Air Max shoe in general is a really, really good. Air Max sell extremely well for me, so I always like to pick them up when I find them for a good price. These were 5.5 in youth, so 7 in women's. Let me see the next pair. Which one is that? All right. So next one here, I got these Metcons, the Nike Metcons, the Flyknit. I think it's the 3s. Yeah, Nike Metcon Flyknit 3s. Got these right here. Men's size 11.5. A little bit of a weird size, but when it's the right price, I still like to pick it up. These ended up being, let me check real quick, $24. So really, really good price for this one. I think it retails for like $110 or something like that. Probably gonna price these for like around $85. We'll probably sell it anywhere from like $85 to $70. So good pickup for that price. And then next up, we got the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 36. These are women's size 12, but they're equivalent to men's size 10.5. So I picked these up for it was $24.99, but after the discount code, it ended up being $19.98. So really, really good. We'll probably sell it anywhere from like 70 to 60 bucks. So pretty good pickup on that one as well. And then next up, we got these, what do they call it again? React Element 55s. These were $29.97, ended up being like $24, something like that. Just let me double check. Yeah, $23.97. So I always price these around 75. We'll sell it for like 75 to 60 bucks. So I always like to pick them when they're like $30 or less. So to me, it was really good. I got these Blazer Low Decons. That's what they're called. They retail for 100. These ended up being, was it $15 or $16? $15.97. These ended up being $15.97. I got a women's size 7 and then a 7.5. No, 2 7s and 1 7.5, and $15 each. That's a big steal in my opinion. So I'll probably sell these anywhere from 60 to 50 bucks. So in my opinion, that was really good. I really like that find. And then the highlight of the day, of the haul, I got these. So I'm gonna read you guys the full name. It says Tennis Classic ACSP Fragment. I'm gonna show you guys the label just so you can see. Hopefully it zoomed in. Hopefully it was good. And then the label inside, so you can see the Fragment logo right there. Hopefully it shows. And the insole, and then in the back too, it also shows. That's Fragment collab. So it was pretty dope. I don't know if there's like a sample pair or something, because on the inside, if you can see right here, it says about the detail property of Nike. So I thought that was really interesting and really cool. Normally when something says something like that, it means it's like a sample. So I'm not sure if that was part of the detail of the shoe, if that was part of like the design, or if that really was something that was like a sample. Came with extra laces. Pretty dope. This was selling for, it was going for like around 150 for what I saw on eBay. It was really random, but for the most part it was like around 150. So these ended up being $22.47. So I don't mind holding really good items like this. If it's like so cheap, just $22 is literally nothing. So yeah, so when you find a quality find like that, it's definitely worth holding if you have the capital to hold an item like that. So that's everything I got. Let me know how you guys think I did. What would you think was the best, and was there anything you wouldn't have picked up from my haul? Let me know. And yeah, actually wanted to ask you guys too, what do you think about this setup? Do you think this is nicer than like where I normally do them, like in my living room? What do you guys think? I think this is cooler though. I think this is definitely where I'm gonna be making them now. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Later.